A senior lecturer with Singapore's Nanyang Technological University said that the second China International Consumer Products Expo can effectively expand imports and consumption in China. He added that China's consumption and exports will play a very important role in revitalizing the world economy. The expo opened Monday on China's resort island of Hainan, presenting a unique platform for global consumer products companies to access the Chinese market.
尤其是在目前相对来说全世界非常混乱的这样一个经济环境下，我们的消费出口会对全世界经济来说是一个非常重要的拉动作用。中国的增长是可以非常有效的拉动全球的经济增长的。消博会和上海的进博会是一个很好的搭配，是非常有效的拉动中国的进口以及和消费相关的，我们消博会可以做出重大贡献的一个重要的着力点。那么不仅仅是世界全球企业、全球消费型企业对于中国市场的信心，同时也是全球消费者对于中国消费市场的信心。
The six-day expo has attracted 1,107 overseas companies and 1,643 brands from 61 countries and regions, as well as over 1,200 domestic brands. With a larger exhibition area, more participating brands, and a special focus on new and quality products, the expo remains the largest consumer boutique exhibition in the Asia-Pacific region. Yan also highlighted Hainan's role in promoting Asia's consumption market.
海南岛的旅游资源是亚洲其他消费中心所没有的，因此我认为未来10到15年，海南作为中国消费的前沿，以及中国的自由贸易、自由港的一个最新的出发点，应该可以看到一个指数级的增长。海南岛包括我们的海南自贸区一定会在很快的未来成为我们亚洲消费领域的一颗夺目的明珠。